Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the Dawn Kitchen. Today guys, I will be doing a quick and easy recipe. Basil, garlic, lemon, rice. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. And to all my supporter, YouTuber, subscriber, follower, a big warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. Let us rumble. 1/4 teaspoon of basil. Half of a lemon. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2 cups of rice. And I'm using the jasmine rice. 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil. You can use whatever oil of your choice. So, first thing you want to do, you have to rinse the rice properly. You're gonna place 3 cups of water, 3 of this on the stove in a pot to boil. So we're gonna rinse the rice. And we're rinsing the rice like 2 to 3 times. With the garlic, you can always chop the garlic finely, or you can either compress it. You know, beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you haven't yet subscribed. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so when D-Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. This was requested by my son. One of my son, he have been doing this recipe for a long time, and he said, "Mom, why don't you do some basil, garlic, lemon, rice?" So I said, "Okay, son, tell me how the recipe goes." And he told me, so that's how I come up with this morning. So stay tuned. So with the lemon, you're gonna extract the juice out. So this is almost 5 teaspoons of lemon juice. I'm gonna place the olive oil in. Notice the pot is boiling up. I'm gonna place the salt. The lemon juice. Garlic. And a little, most of the basil. We're gonna leave back some of the basil. Let it come to a rapid boil. Now that it's boiling, you're gonna add the rice in. And you're gonna give it a quick stir with a fork. You can even use a spoon now, but when the rice is steaming, then you don't use a spoon to stir. You use a fork. As soon as it begins to boil up, you're gonna lower the fire and you're gonna let it cook for 18 to 20 minutes. And it's time for us to check in on the rice. And you want to stir it. Looking at our rice, guys, it's looking so beautiful. So pretty much finished, but don't go away. So beautiful people, the lemon garlic basil rice is now ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? Yeah, so why not give it a try? You will enjoy to do it. So beautiful people, please take care of yourself and take care of each other. I love you. I thank you for watching D Don Kitchen. Please be safe and I see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace and love all the time.